Hey guys.
Macy's going through her cabinet. Why?
She was going in the chip cover when no one said she could. Okay, we had a little problem. No, we don't. Okay, so we are going to talk about. Say Sai! Come here, Sai. Oh, maybe Brownie wants to come. Brownie's our other dog. There's. Right here, Sai. Brownie. Brownie.
No, but when Teresa said that she was going to share custody,
This is Sai.
He said it was too late.
What?
Put that away. Why is it in there?
I'll be right back.
That's not what he did. I'm just praying to God that whatever it is, it doesn't happen before the judge gets signed off this custody agreement.
This is called Animals. We have a cat, 2 cats, Spook, Clyde, a hamster named Hammy, 2 pigs, Charlotte, Matilda, and we're not rich, so don't say nothing about that. We have our dogs, Sai, Rusty, Little Bear, and Brownie. We have that many animals.
Yes. You see, during a routine child welfare.
So, if you count our animals, we have 14. Wait. No, not 14. 8, I think. Don't know. 9. We have. Yeah, we have 9. I just counted. We're gonna go outside real quick. This is what it looks like outside. The window might be dirty. That's what it looks like outside. And I'm gonna sit right back down. And here's a fork. Here's a spoon. I'm gonna go play around with my dough. It's not really dope, it's dough. I call it dope sometimes because dough and dough. Ready? Here's your soup, kiddos. This is a marshmallow. Marshmallow. This is a marshmallow. If you can tell, it's really fluffy. You'll be getting this. It's fluffy like a marshmallow. But it does tear real bad. My mom always gives me leftovers when she makes pie. She gives me this.
So the test results here are not accurate. I know stuff in the chat weather, so I don't want you to worry.
You can't hear the poke. Doesn't poke that good, but that's time that I'm giving away to. Poke's really good, and you have to bring me the money.
And she told me she knew about the opportunity tests. Oh yeah, she actually helped me get the DNA samples. Yeah, I was just surprised. Consider everything to your friend through just you could buy her. Well, she kind of found out by accident.
And you have to give me the money right away, or you can't. You would have to return the sign and all of it. But you don't gotta return the seashell or the ice cream bowl. But you would have to return. My battery's low, so in a couple minutes I will be talking to you guys later. Go flat it out and show you what it feels like. Oh, it feels so good when it's on out all over the back. But I feel so terrible. I'm just in the back. Okay, bye for now.